Thank you for joining us today for another Baseplan Presents video. We are going to be going over how to create a reservation within the Baseplan system. So in Baseplan, we have a thing called the equipment availability. The equipment availability lays under the rental counter, and you can see that right here is the equipment availability. You can also save that and add it down here to your favorites, but we're going to go into the equipment availability as a customer is called in asking for availability on, say, a dozer. So we can just type in the word dozer, and what it will do is bring up all of your dozers. So we have 70 horsepower dozers, 80 horsepower dozers, and 90 horsepower dozers. At this point in time, if I wanted to just look at the 80 horsepower dozers, I can pull up and see all my availability dozers at this moment. If I wanted to look at the future and sort of see what's going on, I can go into the planning calendar. When I go into the planning calendar, it gives me full visibility of those units. As of right now, you can see at this date and time, I have none of those going out. So say somebody wants it for Friday, we're going to take it from Friday all the way out to the other Friday. And what it will do is it will automatically open our order creation screen here in the new hire wizard. So now what you can do is go in here and select who the customer is. So let's say it's going to be Hall Construction. So you can just start typing and it will pull up anything with the word Hall in it. Here's Hall. We can select Hall. We've got their site as the main, and then we can come down here and select who is the person calling it in. It's John Smith, and you can see as a phone number there, here's the address to the job. Down here is where we can add a PO number if we wanted to. Sales rep is over here. This is going to be for delivery. You can also set it for customer pickup as well. But let's say it's going to go out on the 16th, and then it is going to come back, say in 4 weeks. So we can just put 4W. It will automatically assign the weeks to it as well. Then from there, all you've got to do is hit OK. Once you hit OK, it will warn you that the customer needs a purchase order. You do not have to put a purchase order in this time if you don't want to. You don't have to put a fake one in. We'll, at another video, show you how we can protect you from not sending that out to the customer without a PO. At that point in time, we will hit OK, and then it will take us into the contract wizard here, which is the ability to go ahead and select the unit. Since I selected one, you'll see it automatically brought up an equipment code. If you and your company have a policy of not assigning a specific unit at the time of reservation, all you can do is hit backspace or delete, and that will delete that unit out of there. And then at that point in time, you are just doing a reservation on an unallocated unit. Down here is all the daily, weekly, and monthly rates that you can see. You can give a discount here if you want to. Anything of that nature is allowed at this point in time. So if you're ready to, all you have to do is hit save. And now when you hit save, you have immediately created a contract. Just hit no that you don't want to add anything else to that. And then we'll refresh the planning calendar. And you can see now that you have an unallocated unit there for a dozer and for Hall Construction at that point in time. I hope you like this Baseplan Presents video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call at Baseplan. Have a great day. Bye.